All right, we're gonna be watching some of the funniest, craziest animals on TikTok. Let's go. Now some of these go by real fast, so we'll have to try to catch them. Oh yeah, big dog scared. Oh, he took a tumble. Oh, scared the crap out of him. Well-trained dog. We need a trained dog like that. Oh, okay. Oh, the dog's being
good
kitty.
boy.
Don't play with him. Oh, pushed her over. Oh, is he gonna get the glass? Oh, whoa! Didn't expect that. Yo, puppy. Give me your butt. What? No, no. Big chiller. Oh, no. I guess that's all I'm gonna say for most of these is just no. Oh my gosh. What? That is a gangster cat right there. Ain't worried about no bear. Oh, in the snow. What do we got? Oh, what is that? That kind of scared me, no lie. Little tug of war lost. A possum?
Don't touch it. They
oh
have
no.
Nasty stuff.
Is that a possum? Oh, I would have ran too. No, it's not. Armadillo? What is that?
Get the fuck away from me!
I would have ran too. Oh gosh. Oh, little chick. It's so cute. Look how little it is. I didn't know they were that little. At least I didn't realize they were that little. Aww. He's like, peekaboo. Where's my mommy? All right. Oh, what is that? Is that a porcupine in the kitchen? She has a porcupine as a pet? Can you do that? I want one. Oh, that was cute.
So, I got a lift hand.
Yo, he got a lift with some dancing parrots. What? Look at him get down. Yeah, he knows good music. The other two are like, no, I'm not into this type. Oh, man. He's just talking away. That thing is so loud and noisy. Imagine having that in your room or your house. Yo, what is that? Yo, if you know what that bird is, leave a comment below. Tell me what that bird is, man. That is crazy looking. Look at those feathers on it. What? If you're enjoying the video, make sure you like and comment and follow, subscribe, whatever. Let's go and do it.